Hey, welcome here, guys. John Russo from Palm Beach Customs, and I'm going to do a video of this Jeep that we just finished out. CJ7. This is another V8 build. This one here has AMC 360 with an Engle cam and quick fuel carburetor, Eldenbrock Performer intake, short tube Patriot headers. It's got the single wire distributor, aluminum radiator, vacuum booster, nice clean build. It's got the overflow tank here. You can see the antifreeze going in. That's the washer bottle there. Got stainless brake lines as always. New clutch fan. Well, everything's new. New aluminum radiator. Interstate battery. We make our own cables, all heavy duty. Everything's neat and clean. This customer wanted the super winch, rope winch on there. Nice unit, remote, lifetime warranty. It's got the fishbone bumper. Nice heavy duty unit with the winch plate. We'll do a walk around. Original white. Have the YJ doors on it. Half doors, got the soft tops. Here's the interior. We got the best top seats. Tuffy box with the stereo. Lock and key right in there, marine stereo. Marine poke speakers in the back. You can see in the 6x9s in the wedge boxes with the spray-on bed liner in the back seat and the roll bar. We only use speed hut gauges, lifetime warranty, all billet, look original. This switch right here is the dimmer for just the gauges themselves, or it'll work on the dimmer switch on the headlight. Got the oh shit bar right there to hold on. All brand new windshield, all new window rubber. Here's the inner door panels. It's got the scuff plates, and we've got stainless scuff plates, and we got the black step bars. Wheel flares. I'll show you the front end a little. Everything's all rebuilt. Got the Bilstein shocks. Went black on all the trim except for the chrome bezels in the front on the grill. We got the T4 headlights too. These look original, but they're a lot brighter. New cowl rubber. Dual stainless exhaust. Coming out the back nice. Just showing you some photos underneath. The underneath is as clean as the outside. All new body mounts. This one has the heavy duty bumper for the spare tire carrier. And the soft top, best top, soft top. And it's a V8 364 speed. Runs real nice. cars. Goes down the road about 70 to 75 at just almost 2,000 Rs, so it runs real good. It's gonna be a good ride. I'm gonna shut the hood. You latch it right there. So there you have it. This one's going to Connecticut to a guy by the name of Brian. Great customer. Enjoyed doing the build for him. Definitely a respectable Jeep. This one's real nice. We're happy with it. We'll see you guys on the next video. Again, John Russo from Palm Beach Customs. And take care. All right.